Hey, how's it going? I hope you're all doing really, really well. Today, we have the heaviest Degustabox ever. Degustabox is a monthly food snack subscription box. I need a kniff. That was attractive. And yeah, it's like £11, I think, a month. This one is a free box because every time you sign up, you get a code. If 2 people use your code, you can give it to anybody, anyone in the world. 2 people use your code, you get a free box. It's not PR, but it's a free box because don't fall off. 2 of you wonderful lot have used it. So the August box, normally there's a theme, which I slag off. Last month was quite good, but the theme this month is just August box. So let's see. Right. Ooh. Le Petit Ganache chocolate hazelnut flavoured biscuits. Well, they look delightful. Let's try one of these. £1.70. First filled biscuits in the Lou range. Are carefully crafted to bring love and passion into every bite. Biting into this buttery biscuit casing, the golden crunch soon gives way to a melt in the mouth silky hazelnut. Oh, they look really cute. Oh my god. That's just fucking Nutella. It's just so good. No alcohol. Carlsberg. 88p each apparently. Oh, it says you can only buy them in a multi-pack, so 88p each because they're £3.50 ish. When you buy them. That's nice. Ooh, they look like a brioche filled with jam. I'm going to pack most of this. Me and the kids are going on holiday tomorrow. £1.75. Yeah, strawberry filled brioche. That sounds amazing. The kids will like them. Ooh. Pear and raspberry J2O spritz. That sounds amazing. I'm trying one of them now. They're cold as well. Which are these? So you could either get apple and elderflower or pear and raspberry. Both sound really nice. I think if I had to pick, I'd probably pick the apple and elderflower just because I love elderflower. But pear and raspberry sounds delicious. I can't even open it. I need my knife again. Gary, don't start because you're going to get me in trouble again, Gary. Come to get in the box. Ooh. Oh my goodness. That is delicious. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Do we need to go through this again? Do we need to go through this again? You are not allowed. Just punch me again. You all saw it. Right. Oh, I've had these before. These are gross. The Whitworth shots. £2, and it's like biscuit and then dried fruit. It's an old lady snack basically. No. Oh, this is why it's heavy, I think. There's a lot of drinks today. Tropicana Smooth. Kids will love that. £3? I want vodka in it for that. £3 for that is ridiculous. It will get drunk, but that's a silly amount of money. Sour cream and chai crunch from Rachel's Heart. Oh, you could either get sour cream and chive or sweet chilli. I'd have preferred sweet chilli, but I'm sure these would be nice. My washing machine sounds like it's about to take off, so I apologise about that. $2.25. Really good and high in protein. You've got pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, broad beans, baked edamame, puffed quinoa, and green split peas. Let's try it and see. It smells all right. I'm not 100% sure how I feel on that. It's sour cream I don't like. It is very, very potent flavour. Very, very strong. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be burping this all day. The puffed quinoa is banging. It's really hard to show you. It's the little tiny bits. They're like little Rice Krispies. No, that's nice. I'd sit and eat that. I prefer the other one, but I would eat that. That's nice. Rubies in the Rubble, ketchup but gooder. Never heard of this. £3.50. That's probably why I haven't heard of it. Gooder for you, the plate and the planet. Our award-winning ketchup is packed with surplus and wonky pears that would otherwise go to waste. Pears? Tomatoes, pears and apples. I've got to try it. Pears. It smells like normal ketchup. Tastes exactly the same as the Asda one. That's really nice. But I wouldn't spend £3.50 on it. Not a fucking chance. And then the last thing. What are you? Or are you nothing? Oh no, there's more. I found more. I've got, ooh, carbonara. Knorr pasta carbonara. I might have had my dinner. Like a packet one. That's £1.40. You either get Parmesan pasta, bolognese or carbonara. I'm really happy with carbonara. I love that. Oh, I've got another Carlsberg. I've got the Bear Real Yummy fruit snacks, 60p each. Gently baked chewy pour shapes made from 100% fruit. I'll take these, the kids like them. And then the last thing is a Frutella strawberry flavour that you add to water. So that's nice. The kids will like that as well. Quite a good, excuse me, quite a good box. The only thing that won't get used is these. But I think Ben's mum likes these. I think I've given to him before. She'll like them. I will, let me just add it up in my head now. £3.50, £6.50, £8.50, £10.50, £14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It's worth about £18, I'd say. I think I can't bother to do proper maths because that's not what I'm here for. But yeah, about £18. So yeah, I'm happy with that. It's a nice box. I am going to pack some of this stuff to take on a little mini getaway. The rest of it is going to go in the pantry or to Ben's mum for those ones. So let me know what you think. Yeah, I think that's probably my favourite. That is absolutely delicious. It tastes a bit like, the kids have like a summer fruit squash. And it tastes a bit like that. It just tastes like raspberry to me. It doesn't taste like pear. It smells a bit like pear, but it doesn't taste like it. But delicious and would be nice as a mixer. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. I love you, bye.